Fresh, vibrant and full of flavor. This is our homemade pasta al pesto. Simple, aromatic and ready in minutes. Here is what we use. Shirred pasta, freshly Parmigiano cheese, fragrant basil leaves, pine nuts, a clove of garlic, extra virgin olive oil, and just a touch of salt. We start by adding fresh basil, garlic, and pine nuts into the blender. Then we cut the parmesan into medium-sized chunks. And add it in. A pinch of salt, a generous drizzle of olive oil, and blend until smooth and creamy. That's your beautiful homemade pesto. Meanwhile, I cook the pasta in salted boiling water until perfectly al dente. Once the pasta is ready, we add the fresh pesto and mix well until every piece is coated in this green velvety sauce. We serve it with drizzle of olive oil on top and a sprinkle of Parmigiano cheese. Simple, fresh and truly Italian pasta al pesto. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give us a like, leave us a comment and subscribe to our channel for more delicious Italian dishes. See you next time in our Italian kitchen.